Dhani Yoga, the yoga which brings wealth and wisdom. There are too many Dhani Yoga out there and whose result can only be enjoyed during a certain period of time. But I will tell you about a Dhani Yoga that will be with you forever. And this is a highly fortunate yoga in respect of income and wealth. You will enjoy a good reputation and will own numerous fixed and movable assets. Hi friend, this is Dipan and welcome back to my channel again. This is going to be an amazing session for you because in this video I am going to discuss various new palm lines that can reveal different meanings and information about your life. So keep watching till the end and do subscribe my channel for instant future videos update. This is a palm of one of my lovely subscriber and this is his birth chart. As you can see, his Rasi is Aries and Lagna is Libra. It can be noticed that Aries Rasi people possess lean and muscular body, long face and long neck. If your Rasi is Aries, then you are ambitious and have good aggressive nature. You have a simple, frank, outspoken nature and the ability to hold an executive position. You have a great quality to give guidance for every difficult situation. You will also be able to control and manage other people very easily. Because of your Aries moon sign, you travel from place to place. You are a passionate, motivated and confident leader. You have a huge energy within you and you always stick to your own terms and beliefs. If you don't know what Rashi and Lagna you have or what Mahadasha you are going through, then get your authentic digital birth chart from my website cnex.in or WhatsApp me at the below number. Now come to his palm lines. This is a wonderful palm and I am sure you will learn a lot from this analysis. If you carefully see this palm structure, then the first thing you will notice that the fingers of the hand are small and the palm is comparatively a square and large type. Also, the thumb seems to be straight and strong. Actually, what happens is that if you have a shorter finger and a big square palm, then it represents your charming personality. Everyone seems to like you because of your charming smile and gentle approach. Most people pay a lot of attention to your appearance, the colors you wear, your hair, the way you walk and talk. This type of short, straight and strong thumb represents that justice is your middle name and you are always on the path of justice. Reflective judgment with a commitment to quality is the keynote for you. You are the natural peacemaker in your social circle. Your charming personality is much admired. Your key feature is that you always maintain your position without changing your mind. No matter how many obstacles you face, you remain stuck on your taken decision. If you have this kind of short, straight and strong thumb, then profession like art, music, cinema, photography, textile, wine, alcohol is very fruitful for you and you will be able to achieve success in those fields. You will have all kinds of material for luxury and comfort. Let me tell you another beautiful sign which is present at the bottom of the finger. If the bottom of the fingers are rounded like this, then it represents beauty and luxury. You will love beauty, art, music, nature and the other fine things in life. It makes your nature curious, which leads you to have a variety of experience in life. You are likely to explore many different fields. Also, it represents you are knowledgeable, intelligent, well-mannered and restless. Now we will discuss another good sign located on the sun mount. This portion is called sun mount and if your sun mount is divided into two parts and a deep line going through the middle portion and create this type of sign like a ship, then it will make your life full of adventure, positivity and growth. You love to take challenges, just like the way a ship ignores all the waves of the sea and move towards its destination. This sign represents that you love to travel, have fun and learn new things, and you will push yourself beyond your usual boundaries to try something new. My advice is that rather than focusing on what you can't do, it's time to realize all the things that you can do. This ship sign invites you to think big, travel far, and be open to everything that's offered to you. If you have this sign in your palm, then it is better for you to accept all invitations, because if you never try, you will never win. Now come to the Mercury mount. Look at it. Mercury mount has a dent in the same way as Sun mount. You can see this dent clearly. This type of dent in the Mercury mount represents that you like to look at life through a broader lens, because you always have your sights set on the future. Dent on Mercury mount supports vision of tomorrow, which helps you to see the future. You will talk with enthusiastic words, give confident message and can do passionate debates. If any diamond or square sign is formed in the bottom of the Saturn mount with the help of heart line and mind line, then it broadly affects your love and relationship matters. Since Saturn is restriction, boundaries, limitation and justice, for that reason you are not interested in flirting, romance or short-term relationship, because you consider it as a waste of time. You like to live your life with more intelligence than emotion. You don't like to going out to clubs, discos or romantic dates with candlelight. In your opinion, this is nothing but stupid work and not serious enough. You are looking for a serious and long-lasting relationship that must be official. In other words, you want a marriage that would last for the rest of your lives. If you have this sign in your palm, then you will lead a happy marriage life. The sign of an arrow in the starting portion of the headline is a positive sign. The arrow is created using the headline, lifeline and some branch lines. If you have this sign in your palm, then you have a pleasing appearance. This sign gives you a strong interest in ornaments, luxuries and wealth generation. You tend to be very polite and mannered. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. So when life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. This sign represents that you have faith in God. It makes you open-minded and has a strong sense of justice and right and wrong. This sign is associated with luck and is known to bring wealth and good fortune. This sign brings good fortune into your life. You are the luckiest when you are facing a tough situation. It gives you the ability to listen from all sides and make the correct decision. This sign attracts luck and good vibe into your lives. One or more downwards line in the Jupiter mount can make you researcher or archaeologist. If you have this line in your palm, then you tend to get to the depth of everything, and also you think a lot. You tend to be serious and reserved in nature, but you are equally strong too. It makes you curious and you like to find out the logic behind everything. It also gives a lot of aggression and dominating personality. This line is the most favorable sign in anyone's palm, which is connected between lifeline and Saturn mount. If you have only this sign on your palm, then you can get a lot in your life. This sign is also present in the palm of many successful politicians, film actor and businessman. For example, this sign is present in the palm of Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Srimati Mayawati, Abhishek Bachchan, Ajay Devgan, and great business tycoon Mr. Warren Buffett. If you have this sign, it makes you brave and courageous. You also like to take any kind of risks. Also, you have a strong favor for arguments and debates. It is very hard to win any arguments with you. You also possess strong and prompt analytical skills, and your sharp witness helps you to win over your enemies. You keep yourself before anything else. Now talk about the Dhana Yoga present in this palm. This yoga is defined by this mole. If you have this type of mole on the wrist of your hand, then you will enjoy the benefit of Amaranth Dhana Yoga. The result of this yoga will be permanent. This is a highly fortunate yoga in respect of income and wealth. This mole will give you a good amount of wealth till the end of your life. You will enjoy a good reputation and will own numerous fixed and movable assets. This was my analysis about this palm. Hope it will help you to understand your palm lines. Be sure to make your important feedbacks in the comment section below, and don't forget to press the like button. Just do it now. And last but not least, if you want your digital birth chart and marriage matching horoscope, then get it from my website cnex.in. The birth chart and marriage matching horoscope is 100% accurate and authentic. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.